Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl XO Sam. So I just received some exciting products and I cannot wait to show you. Oh, they're right here. These are the Makartt 5-in-1 nail gel pods. This pod literally comes with 3 colors and they are stunning. They are all different colors. They are all no wipe. You could do a lot with these pods. It is 5-in-1 for a reason. There's stamping, ombre padding, painting, sculpting, and you could do French tips. The list is endless when it comes to these pods. And here is all 8 of the gel pods. And if you're a nail tech like me, you already know. We love our nail art and we love a thick gel consistency. And this right here is where it's at, along with all 3 colors, some of them even containing cat eye gel. This no wipe formula is great for the chrome application. Amazing, isn't it? So it does come with a small applicator on top in this cute heart form shape, and it also has a built-in stamper at the bottom, which is easy to clean and wipe down for every use. Also convenient for what is included in every box, and that is different stamps itself. What more do you want from a product? It's literally endless. All of these beautiful colors and beautiful consistencies. All you have to do for the padding is pat it down in place and keep going to your desired color. It's the same thing for the pat and the ombre. We just gonna start at the tip and it still gives that same effect. And you can even cover the entire nail with this color using the applicator by itself. Of course, paint on your nail art. Go ahead, cure it. Then look how effortless and easy this chrome just glides on. Into the stamping, I like to use the mini applicator. Apply that to your stamping plate, give it a good swipe, use the silicone stamper, use it to a side motion, and then go ahead and boop, stamp it on the nail, and look how perfect it came out. All of this you can do from this one Makartt ColorPot. You better get you one of these. It is worth it.